Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are in the Mazdaspeed, and I've been getting a lot of questions about this and to requests to make a video on it. So I'm going to try my best to make a little video on this, but as you already know from the title, we're going to be doing a review on my Eonon 8.1 Android head unit here in my Mazdaspeed. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys around it, what I think of it. And I've been using it for 2 months now, and I'll just let you guys know what I think of it. I'll fire up here. This is what the main screen looks like, actually. This is what my main screen looks like. Full touchscreen, obviously, and then you've got your buttons here on the side. GPS, that's not a button, and that's not a button either, but the rest of them work. If you are familiar with Android, you should be very familiar with how to use this. It's basically just a tablet for your car. It's got all the same settings pretty well as an Android. Pretty simple. Everything you need is in here. You can connect to Wi-Fi. I pretty well only got this for Bluetooth, so I can hook my phone to Bluetooth, and pretty well the only thing I use on it is my Bluetooth player. Yeah, I don't really use half the features on this. I don't know why, I just don't. I just connect my phone to it and then play music from it, because you're probably thinking, why don't you just use the Bluetooth that came in your Mazdaspeed? Well, I can't use the Bluetooth anymore in this car because I took the steering wheel out, and that's the only way to connect to the Bluetooth. So, can't do that anymore. So I got this head unit, and I really wanted a touchscreen anyway to replace the crappy big disco knob that the OEM Mazda one has. So I want to get rid of that anyway, but this is it. So if you're wondering about CarPlay and like Apple CarPlay or whatever those music players are, I'm not sure. I don't know myself if they work well or not. I just use Bluetooth. I connect my Bluetooth to this, and then I'm gone. Like, that's all I use really. You can use Spotify if you have internet. If I had enough data, I would just constantly stream to this and use all the internet on here. Google Maps, Play Store. You can connect your OBD2 port to a Bluetooth piece, and you can check it with that, but I've got an access port, so I don't need that. Mine did come with a dash cam, which is up there. It also came with a reverse cam. Here's my dash cam here. As you can see, Enzo in the front of the car there, moving around. Enzo! See him moving? Look at that little guy. Cute little guy. Anyway, that's that. Works great. It did come with a reverse cam too, but I did not wire it up. I was too lazy to run it from the back of the car all the way to the front, just to have the backup camera. I don't really need a backup camera, but it'd be nice to have, so I might install that next summer. DVD player, all that stuff. You can download whatever apps you want. I've got a custom background there. I've also got a USB stick right here, which is plugged right into this. It comes through the side of the wall that goes into the glove compartment, and I plug the USB right into that, which is nice. I can put anything I want on that USB and then run it on this. So super nice. The install on this, it's not too bad. It is kind of overwhelming at first, but once you start figuring stuff out, it's not too bad. The hardest part I found really was trying to stuff all the wires in back there and get the head unit to push into its place without the wires pushing it back. So that's what I found was the most difficult, but other than that, definitely a solid head unit. The only one complaint I probably have from using this is sometimes, not very often, but every once in a while, the Bluetooth won't connect to my phone, and I kind of have to shut the car off, turn it back on, and repair my phone to it. I have no idea why it happens, but it doesn't happen too often, but when it does, it is a pain in the ass. So that's probably one thing I would say I don't like about this head unit. If you're wondering about speed and how quick this thing is, it's for a car head unit, this is not bad. Like, this is very, very responsive. I've never really had it lag on me like crazy or anything like that. It seems to be really up to date, and actually I guess I can't say if it is up to date or not, because it might not be, but it's a very modern touchscreen application for your car. It's definitely something to look into. If you are looking for a touchscreen, I would definitely look into Eonon or whatever they're called. I've had really no complaints with this so far besides that one with the Bluetooth. Yeah, I've enjoyed my time with it so far, so much this summer that I've used it. You can stream like Netflix on it and stuff, which I haven't done yet, but when I go to my house I do connect to the Wi-Fi on it and I can do whatever I want from there. You can upload pictures and stuff or whatever you want to do. Has everything you need. You can use Google Maps if you want. If you have internet, download it before your trip and then just run that, which is pretty nice. But endless features really with this. If you're super smart with Android and apps and stuff like that, I'm sure you could get some cool things with this. And yeah, it'd be a pretty sweet head unit. It is a pretty sweet head unit. I don't know what I'm saying. I thoroughly enjoy this head unit, and I'd give it 4 stars out of 5. It is a little bit pricey, but I think it is worth it for everything you get. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video or whatever on my head unit. I got this off eBay, and it didn't take too long to get here. Shipping wasn't too bad. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Drop it a like if you did, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.